Kapatid niya sa labas. Anak ng tatay niya. Ninakaw yung makeup niya. Ni Sam. Galit sa kanya yun. Samantalang siya na may anak sa labas. Yun ang ninakaw niya.
I'm just curious if you were something like that. But I don't mind. In fact, here, nagdala pa sa lang yung people ko. Are you accusing me of stealing your makeup? No. I was just asking. It's totally fine. I was just wondering. I did not steal your makeup. Okay, we'll go away. Okay, even if you want more makeup, you can ask the person. I can lend you the brands I like, and I don't need you to buy the makeup, okay? I can ask that to buy the makeup.
Pero yung totoo, hindi. Ninakawa niya nga ito. Hindi niya nakukuha yung mga gusto niya katulad na ito.
Hindi naman tayo mag-ask kay Mama or Daddy lang. If may kailangan man siya or if she wanted something. Kaya gets ko naman why she had to borrow my things.
Grabe sa bigyan niyo ako ng gift para makabili na ako ng makeup.
Ano po yung buhok bulto na katabi niyo?
So, hi Mommy!
Di ba Claudine Barreto?
Yes.
Claudine.
Well, I'm here to talk about him. I knew it! Alam ko na kung ano. You wanna talk about your moving in with Clyden? Ang bilis naman, sabi ko naman eh. Alam mo na. Love is like baby. No? Dapat, dito kasi ingredients ng patient, warm, understanding.
Sarap.
Para kasi minsan, masusunod o kaya
Oo nga.
hindi ka luto. Pero, kahit ako naman sa
Tatay ako. Tatay na nga ako. Ay!
Ilabas mo na. Go ahead. So, she will need clothes, school supplies, and other things. Sweet. Ano ako paano na?